Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Thomasin. So today I'm going to be doing a spring haul. I've done a lot of internet shopping recently, and I've also returned a lot of the items because I don't know, everything just feels like it's trash. I definitely appreciate being able to go into a store and try on things without having to commit. I'd much rather not spend a lot of money on a bunch of things and then just have to return everything. And I never thought I'd say this because honestly, when the shops were open, I didn't enjoy that either. Maybe I just don't like shopping. If you like this video, please like it, and if you really like it, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. So the first item I want to talk about are these jeans from Motel Rocks. These are the best jeans I've ever worn, ever. And I can't believe I'm saying this, you know, I bought them because they were like the TikTok jeans everybody was wearing or whatever. I know, I just thought they looked cool, and they're great. I know everybody bought these like 6 months ago, but who cares really? They're sort of like straight leg baggy jeans, and they're actually long too, which I feel like is kind of rare these days. Like the last couple of jeans I've bought, they've all been cropped, and it's not been on purpose. It's just because, I don't know, maybe shops don't like sizing things right. I don't know. I got these in a 33 small. I'm 5'8", and they touch the floor. I wear a lot of brown and beige, so I guess it makes sense to have brown jeans. It matches stuff that I already have. These jeans are very comfortable. They feel like they're quite durable. I've been wearing them a lot and they're just fine. I really like them. This isn't my discount code, but I used the code social25 to get 25% off, which is very much needed on these trousers as well. So if you didn't know, there is a discount code for you. You're welcome. My set is ruined. The next thing I've got is this shirt. It's a long sleeve t-shirt from Weekday, and it has sort of like an embroidered pattern on it that says spiritual. I haven't seen anything like it before. I think it looks pretty unique. I was actually looking for a top that had this sort of skater boy short sleeve, long sleeve thing going on, so I was very happy to have found it. It's very oversized, like very oversized. It's an extra small, and I feel like it goes down to my knees. It could probably be a dress as well, but I don't know how I would style it as a dress yet. It can really be worn any time of the year really. It's not spring specific. I just really liked it, and I felt like I could do with an oversized t-shirt. I feel like I'm really into tie-dye these days. For what reason, I don't know. Generally these days I've been trying to buy items that I can't make myself, and I don't know how to do this. So yeah, I like it. It's great. So speaking of tie-dye and pink, I got this dress. This is like the opposite of anything I've ever bought before, but the lady on the website was just really selling it. I saw her model it and I thought, I want to be her. I was really influenced, eh? The ASOS model really influenced me. It's a beach dress, so I intend to wear this to the beach this year, or to brunch or something. A nice, fun, flirty event, you know? Like it's a very fun, flirty dress. It's really bright. It's like a neon pink. It's backless. It's also got the elasticated waist, which is really useful. I got the dress in a size 8. And that fits okay. I feel like if you're a 10 as well, it'd probably fit you too because it's a skater skirt. The idea is I'll wear it with like white heels or something and a tiny bag. The dress just screams fun. It just screams fun. I don't really have very many dresses like this, especially dresses that are great for daytime events. So I think this dress would work for like a casual daytime drinking event. I haven't been invited anywhere, but as soon as I do, this is the dress I'm wearing. I'm very much looking forward to it. I was finding it very hard to find a decent black mini dress until I came across this one. This is from Opoly and I love it. The dress is double lined, I think. It doesn't feel cheap, it's heavy. This is the sort of dress that I'd wear every day if I could. I bought another black dress because I was just on the hunt for a black dress, and I found that the other ones kind of looked a bit plasticky, and I don't I don't know, it wasn't what I was going for. This one actually looks like it's made out of real materials. This one doesn't give off that plasticky shine. I got it in a 10 because it's quite tight. It's sort of like an hourglass kind of figure making dress. I feel like it just looks effortlessly stylish. It's very nice, it's very soft, and it just looks good. I feel like this dress could look good on anyone, to be honest. It's just a really good, versatile black dress, LBD. So the last item that I have isn't something that I've bought, but it's a top that I've customized recently. This sort of drawstring look is quite popular at the moment, but I think because it's just a trend right now, I thought it's probably best that I make it rather than actually go out and buy something with it on, because I don't know, who knows, in like 6 months will I even care? Will I even want it? I don't know. I still think it looks cute, so I wanted to make a crop tee out of this t-shirt that I have. It's really not the best, like there's a lot of things wrong with it. The inside lining that I used was pink, and you can see that from the outside. I originally wanted to use more of this material for the lining, but then there wouldn't be enough material for it to ruche anymore, so I used a different material. It was the wrong color, but that's fine. All trial and error, all learning. Also, I feel like I could have taken off more material down the side because the t-shirt is still a little bit baggy, and I think it would have looked best if it fitted a little bit tighter. So I think next time if I do this sort of design again, then I'll cut down the side of the top and then use that extra material as the channels for the drawstrings rather than get another piece of material to create that. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it is. I'm gonna wear it out, which, you know, is the point of clothes. So yeah, this wasn't really something I bought, but I guess it's new clothes in a way, so it's in my spring haul. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you like the video if you like, comment and tell me what you liked. And yeah, I'll see you next time.